There they are. Hot.
Oh yeah.
Start her up.
She ain't gonna do it.
I don't know if she's gonna fit.
Tape.
It doesn't fit at all. So we think that we're just supposed to duct tape it right at that joint. That's probably what we're supposed to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the only reasonable thing to think.
2 hours later.
A little bit of an embarrassing moment. This comes out.
The bushing.
Took like 2 hours to find that one.
Yeah.
So.
The bushing for the stock header.
Yep. So we had to take the header out and. Yeah. It was a process. Here, you want to slip that in there?
You just slip it right in your hole.
She's mint. She's mint now. So, FYI, if you're as dumb as us.
Yeah, exactly. There's a bushing.
There's a bushing in there. So let's throw her on.
This is gonna come up.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There it is.
1 degree clear.
Got you on that one.
Little smoke coming from this one.
Yeah, dude. Oh, I got it on the video.
Yo! Super happy. Ow! You got me in my eyeball. I'm never gonna be able to do an outro now. Super happy with the FMF exhaust. Looks way better, sounds way better, and I can't wait to ride the next season with them on. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.
Like this.
Check out my
Hit
other
this
videos.
button. Looks like a thumb.